Hi everybody, it is Hobonichi unboxing time and I'm so excited. I love this time of the year and I love seeing what everybody ends up choosing out of all of the releases. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into mine. I've just cut the top. Yay! So I already knew it was gonna be a green box. And green is my favorite color, so I'm really happy about this. And fair warning, this is going to be super quick and probably anticlimactic because I only got a couple of things. So I am going to have another order that I had to purchase off Etsy. Hopefully that's arriving this week. And then I'll order in November for a November release. But there is the quote, and I think it's so cute this year. So let's see in person how everything looks. Ooh, yay. Okay, so, it's so pretty. So that's it. I literally just got these two things. So this is just, get it out first. So I got the weekly supplement for the A6 size for next year, and this is really simple and basic. I just use it in this setup. So this is the one for this year, and I use it to track medication dosages and when I administer it for someone. And I love the setup of this. It's worked so great ever since I started it this year. So I definitely got myself another one for next year. This is the free pen, comes with the weeks. You don't actually get the stack of cards if you get a week's planner, which is a little odd. But anyway, I'm not a fan of these pens. Here we go. But I do have a collection of these now, so I'll just add it to the rest of the ones that I have. And this, I am so excited about this in particular. So let me take it out of the bag real quick. Okay, so this is called Strangers No More. Oh, it feels really nice. I think it's always interesting when you actually start feeling the planners, especially the weeks, because they vary from design to design. So this one feels really smooth and kind of silky, and like you could wipe it down with a wet cloth and it would take it just fine. So there are some, oh, I remember this from last year. Let's see. Oh yeah, so cute. I still have the ones from 2019 as well. And then I don't know anything about this. I can't read it. Oh well. So this I am going to be using for a project for next year, and I'll do a separate video on that when I kind of figure out how I'm gonna format it and everything. So here's the clear pocket that goes with it. I do not get along with the Hobonichi weeks for planning purposes, but I have come to learn that I do love the weeks format for different projects. So I still got one, so everything looks good. Where are the bookmarks? Okay, so just black and gray bookmarks inside. So this is lovely. I do have a leather cover coming for this. It hasn't even shipped yet, so I'll have to be much more patient about that. So, but I'm excited for this whole setup, and I'll make sure to talk about it in a separate video. That is it from me, literally, for this unboxing. I will have one more, hopefully this week. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.